Hi and welcome. My name is Sara Peternell. I'm the owner of Family Nutrition Services. Today I'm talking about one of my very favorite subjects, which is detoxification. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love to talk about detox, and I'm a huge advocate of doing daily detox rituals that can help support your best health and including your healthiest liver ever, even during fall and winter times, which sometimes doesn't seem very intuitive. We usually think of the spring and the summer, but fall and winter, we also can incorporate a lot of healthy foods into our diets so that we can continue sort of this facilitation of enhanced daily detox. So while I'm talking about this, I just want to point you in the direction of a couple of other videos that I have here on YouTube. One is my roasted Brussels sprouts video. I can show you how to make these really quickly. They're super easy. Kids love them. And then I have another video, which is actually one of my favorite Thanksgiving side dishes, and it's a dish for antioxidant-rich cranberries, which are also really great for supporting your liver and helping to promote daily detox. But today what I want to talk about is the role of carrots and how they can be very helpful in helping you take care of your liver. The thing is that we just sort of sometimes the thought of carrots don't really cross our mind. We sometimes maybe move towards more advanced or fancy superfoods when we're thinking about cleansing. But carrots are really just, delicious and refreshing, and they can be eaten a variety of different ways, and also combined with other foods to enhance your body's nutrient levels, and also to really promote optimal digestion and detox. One of my favorite things to do with carrots is to juice them. I have a juicer. It's a Hurom, Hurom juicer, and it's a cold press juicer. It's very quiet and it's easy to clean, and I love to just make some carrot juice. Sometimes I'll add a little fresh citrus or maybe a little chunk of fresh raw turmeric to my carrot juice, and you only need a small amount. The thing is that carrots are loaded with antioxidants. One of them is actually called falcarinol. Okay, so that's kind of a hard word to remember. Falcarinol is an antioxidant that's found in a lot of vegetables, but especially in a lot of the brightly colored vegetables. And it is an antioxidant that helps to restore tissue, including your skin cells and your digestive tract. And this high antioxidant food, carrots, really is beneficial to all of your organs, in that it really helps to combat free radicals or any damage that maybe is taking place inside of your body. So think about your liver for just a moment, if you will. And sometimes we do some things that are maybe not so good for our liver, like we maybe overindulge during the holidays, or we come back from vacation and we know we haven't been eating our normal diet. Having a couple of days incorporating some fresh carrots, raw carrots, carrot juice, and even cooked carrots can be a great way to really boost your body with lots of antioxidants and this falcarinol, which is very helpful in combating any of the damage that may have been done to your organs while you are kind of stepping outside of your normal healthy regimen. Another component of carrots that's really, really important to know about is just that they're really high in fiber. The fiber from carrots really helps with removal of all kinds of waste, but it's also really helpful in binding to some of the very undesirable toxins like heavy metals, lead, cadmium, and other toxic substances that can live deep within the tissue of our cells. So carrots being a great source of antioxidants, but also a great source of fiber, you want to make sure that you're incorporating these into your daily diet when you really want to have that kind of daily removal of some of those unhealthy substances. Finally, carrots, as I was saying, they're really rich in antioxidants. Carrots are a great source of beta carotene, and this can help with your skin, your eyes. It can help with UVB protection from the sun's rays, which leads to sunburn and skin cancers and things of that nature. So consuming plenty of carrots on a regular basis is really great for all of your first line defenses. Your skin, protection of your eyes, really great for hair and nails as well. The beta carotene and those really rich antioxidants from the bright orange color of carrots and other brightly colored vegetables is a great way just to kind of help fortify your skin and your other barriers and boundaries in your body, to protect against the toxins that we're facing every single day, whether it's from pollution or foods or other things like that. So don't go crazy. Don't have a giant 18-ounce carrot juice every single day. That can potentially be too much. But a little bit of carrot juice for a few days in a row, or just incorporating shredded carrots on salads. I love to roast carrots in the oven with just some olive oil and sea salt and sometimes some fresh herbs, and include those as part of my regular, healthy diet, incorporating carrots as much as I can for daily detox. So thank you for checking out this video all about carrots and how they help to keep your body healthy and help protect your body's detoxification systems. Remember, don't forget to check out my video about healthy Brussels sprouts and how to prepare those for your family, and also a great side dish that I love to make during the wintertime, especially during the holidays, which is an antioxidant-rich cranberry dish. You can subscribe to my channel if this information is helpful for you. I appreciate you liking and sharing these videos, and set your notifications so you get my next videos that will be coming out soon. Thanks, and remember to go get your carrot juice. Have a great day.